How many articles are there in the original form of Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, 395 articles. Which article of Indian Constitution is related to Election Commission? Right answer is option A, Article 324. Under which article Parliament has right to make laws regarding citizenship? Right answer is option B, Article 11. Which article of the Indian Constitution defines Panchayati Raj? Right answer is option D, Article 243. Which article of Constitution prescribes Hindi as a official language of India? Right answer is option C, Article 343. Which article of Constitution provides right to constitutional remedies? Right answer is option B, Article 32. In which article of Indian Constitution fundamental duties are discussed? Right answer is option D, Article 51A. Under which article President has power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Right answer is option C, Article 85. Under which article Supreme Court has been given the power of review? Right answer is option A, Article 137. The head of Election Commission in India is appointed by whom? Right answer is option B, President of India. Who can call the joint session of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Right answer is option D, President of India. Under which article Governor has been given power to grant pardon? Right answer is option C, Article 161. In which article the definition of money bill has been given? Right answer is option A, Article 110. Under which article do High Courts have the right to issue writs? Right answer is option B, Article 226. Which article has been added by 101st Constitutional Amendment Act? Right answer is option D, Article 279A. Which two articles of the Constitution provides special power to Rajya Sabha? Right answer is option C, both A and B, Article 249 and Article 312. In which article is the provision regarding contingency fund given? Right answer is option A, Article 267. Under which article does central government have the power to borrow? Right answer is option B, Article 292. In which article it is mentioned about Union and its territories? Right answer is option D, Article 1st. Which article of the Constitution talks about equality before laws? Right answer is option C, Article 14. In which article of Constitution the end of untouchability was mentioned? Right answer is option A, Article 17. In which article of Indian Constitution abolition of titles was mentioned? Right answer is option B, Article 18. In which article of the Constitution is the President of India mentioned? Right answer is option D, Article 52. Which article of Constitution mentions the formation of Parliament? Right answer is option C, Article 79. Under which article there is provision for the establishment of new states? Right answer is option A, Article 2. In which article of Constitution definition of states is mentioned? Right answer is option B, Article 12. In which article of Constitution talks about protection of important places and objects? Right answer is option D, Article 49. Rajya Sabha is mentioned under which article of Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, Article 80. In which article of Indian Constitution is the budget mentioned? Right answer is option A, Article 112. In which article of Indian Constitution is All India Services mentioned? Right answer is option B, Article 312. Lok Sabha is mentioned under which article of Indian Constitution? Right answer is option D, Article 81. Under which article the declaration of an emergency is mentioned? Right answer is option C, Article 352. How many fundamental rights are given by Indian Constitution? Right answer is option A, 6 rights. Right to education is mentioned in which article of Indian Constitution? Right answer is option B, Article 21A. Under which article of Constitution is the provision of amendment mentioned? Right answer is option D, Article 368. Which article of the Indian Constitution gives the power of judicial review? Right answer is option C, Article 13. In which article freedom of speech and expression is mentioned? Right answer is option A, Article 19A. In which article of the Constitution is it mentioned about scheduled caste? Right answer is option B, Article 341. Which article promotes equal justice and free legal aid to all citizens? Right answer is option D, Article 39A. This question is as test. The Prime Minister of India is appointed by whom in India? The options are option A, Vice President, option B, Governor, option C, President, and option D, Chief Minister. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. Your time starts now. So please type your answer of this question in this video comment box and please support and share this video to your friends and relatives. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.